Hello everybody, it is I, your sensual songstress, Hannah Von Stevens, and today I am coming to you from, you guessed it, my kitchen. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make a simple crock-pot chili when you need a lot of bang for not a lot of buck. So join me on this magical ride, and I hope you came hungry. Alright, first we're going to start out with what ingredients that you are going to need to make this chili. First off, you're going to need a pound of ground beef or turkey, 2 cans of dark red kidney beans, 2 cans of tomato sauce, and 2 cans of diced tomatoes, and of course your chili seasoning mix. What you're going to do first is spray a pan with non-stick cooking spray. Then you are going to brown that meat. I chose turkey because it's leaner, I guess, and it tastes just the same. So once you get that browned, what you're going to do is remove it from the heat, and you are going to drain the grease from that, and then you are going to add your chili seasoning to the meat, place it back on the heat, and really incorporate that seasoning into the meat. Once you have that step complete, what you're going to do is turn your eye off, and you are going to set your crock pot to high for 2 hours. Once you've got that done, you're going to add your cooked meat to the crock pot. And then you are going to add the rest of your ingredients. I only used 1 can of tomato sauce because I like my chili to be more chunky than runny. So that's a personal preference. You can use 1 or 2 cans of the tomato sauce. Once you have all of your ingredients in the pot, just stir it together. Place the lid on there and let it sit for 2 hours and let the crock pot kind of do its thing. Once 2 hours is up, you can stir that chili and put it in a bowl and serve it up. I like to eat my chili with sour cream and cheese and served with Ritz crackers. That's the way I like to eat my chili. Alright, and that is the completed meal. I thought I filmed an outro, but the camera wasn't recording, so this is the outro. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for all updates and click the notification bell. We'll see you next time. My battery's about to die.